Hello and welcome back to the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. Today I'm taking you along as I walk the aisles of Aldi. During the holiday season, Aldi really steps up their game and they have so many things to offer. And this year, I must say, they're kind of like becoming a one-stop shopping place for me because not only do they have delicious desserts and chocolates and all of those types of things that you like to have around the house during the holiday, but they're starting to have a lot more in terms of gift items and things that you can buy for family members and yourself if you want. So I'm just sharing some of those things today, and if you're interested, then come on, let's walk the aisles. Now, you know the middle aisles at Aldi's on Wednesdays, they switch it over, but there's always little goodies and new types of items that they have in there. But now through the holiday season, you can find items pretty much all the time. New items just kind of coming in and out. Wednesday is the big day that they switch it out, but you're starting to see more and more in terms of Christmas items. They have rugs for your home. They have cookware. All types of things, and of course they have hand sanitizers and essentials that you need for your home, but then also things that you might need for your holiday preparation. So you can always go there and take a look. They have baking dishes, cookie sets to put your cookies together. They have wonderful candles for the holiday season at a really good price, and I must say their candles are really good. They burn really nicely. They have the jar candles, and they range anywhere from $3.99 to maybe about $7.99 I've seen. So just depending on which ones you get, but very nice place to purchase those types of items. That jar opener kit is a really nice thing to have. It really does help with being able to open your jars if you have, things like jellies, sauces, and things like that. Those are really cool. And then they have a whole selection of toys, a lot of different toys. And I was kind of surprised to see that their toy selection is now, really, really expanded. They have this really nice espresso machine that's really nice. It looks like the Nespresso is what it kind of reminds me of. But so those are nice little gift ideas to get for someone. So let's just see what else we can see in here. You just never know what you're going to find. And what I find is even if you're looking in the circular, it's not the same as going in the store because you always see some other little gems in there that along the way, So just look at all these toys and things. This is a little kid's dream to come through here. And the prices are amazing. You just cannot beat all these prices. Now, this was a big surprise to see Barbie dolls in here, the actual official Barbies. So they do have those in stock, and I was really thrilled to see they have now the plus size Barbie also at Aldi. So I do like that as well because I just feel like you need to be, show little girls more realistic body types. Not everyone has the Barbie doll type, right? Body shape. And then they have Baby Alive. Who doesn't like a good Baby Alive? And they're $16.99, so I think that's about $3 cheaper than I've seen them at like Walmart and Target. So if you have little girls that you're shopping for, check out Aldi. They also have a number of Trolls items. If you have a little girl or boy in your life that likes Trolls, they have little puzzles and things like that. Paint sets and stuff that you might want to pick up or, for gifts or stocking stuffers. And this was another nice looking item. This is a 12 days of glowing skin, a skincare kit for $14.99. I thought that was a nice gift idea for anyone really that would like to have that. They have nice razor sets for the man in your life, so definitely some gifts for the entire family, which is very, very nice. They also have these little like air mattresses for kids. They call them the little travel beds. I thought those were really nice, especially if you have people that spend the night at your house and you just need that extra space. So those are nice that they have on, I think they were $24.99. And then they have the little Christmas tree candles, which are too cute. They are $4.99. They have them in the green and the gold. I picked up 2 of the gold ones. So if you've not seen my Christmas tablescape video, check that out. You can see how I styled those. They also have the lights that you can put under your counters or cabinets or shelves in your closet and things like that, just to add some light in there. And those were, I believe they were $4.99, which is great. They had these really cute holiday glasses for $4.99 with the gold on them. I thought they were really nice as well. So just a variety of different things that you can see as you walk up and down the aisles. These little storage bags are nice to have, in baskets to put things in, you know, in your home for storage or, you know, organization, things like that. They have this nice rear camera for your car. If your car did not come with that, you can add this in, the dash cam for your car, which is cool, for $24.99. I thought that was a pretty good deal as well. And I have a cousin that actually just put one in her car herself. She used YouTube to find the instructions. So not saying it's easy to do, but she did it herself. And they also have really, really good baked goods and things like that over the holiday season, and gourmet popcorns and things like that. And also their cheese selection is phenomenal. I thought this was really cute. It's a gingerbread train kit for the kids to decorate. They also have the gingerbread houses, which are nice as well. So if you have little ones in your life, thought that's a great option for an activity to do with them over the holiday season. They have items for all of your baking needs. So your icings, your sprinkles, all of those types of things, you can pick them up at Aldi. And they also have like cake mixes and things like that for like 85 cents for a box. So really good deals on that, and a great selection as well. And here's some good gift items. So they have these foot soakers tubs, which are really nice to use, especially now. I know I have had one for years and didn't use it for a long time, but since this pandemic, I've been using it to do my pedicures at home. So that's a nice gift option as well. And they also have a sewing machine, a Singer sewing machine for $79.99. I guess that's a good deal. I'm not a sewer, but it looks like it was a pretty good deal if you do sew. They had these face brushes or things that you can use for your facials. They're $12.99. The electric toothbrush was also a really good deal. It comes with replacement heads, $24.99. And then they also have the diffusers that were also $24.99. So really, really nice options. And I haven't tried that toothbrush, but it looks like it's probably comparable to your Oral-B. Here's that Singer sewing machine that I mentioned for $79.99. So that's a good option as well. So if you have an Aldi in your area and you still have shopping to do, I recommend giving them a chance and walking through the aisles there. You may be surprised. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of Aldi with me. And if you did, be sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button if you're not currently subscribed. And I hope to see you on my next video.